Alright, so Tesla is dropping sharply today. It is crashing more than 6% right now. It lost its most important support levels in the short term, and it is trying to retest a key support level in the daily chart in the mid-term. In addition, it is dropping that much in a green day like today. Take a look at SPY, QQQ, the Dow Jones ETF, they're all going up. If we take a quick look at the stock heat map, Tesla is one of the few stocks that are not going up nicely today. So how problematic is this? Is there any chance that Tesla is going to react from here? Well, there is, of course, obviously there is. But what it takes for Tesla to react, and what if it doesn't react? What if we don't see a meaningful bullish reaction materialize it over here in the next couple of days? We're going to discuss a little bit about a few scenarios on Tesla, on what it takes for it to react and what it takes for it to correct more sharply. I'm going to update the most important critical key points on Tesla's price action. Welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. By the way, my name is Nathan. Let's take a quick look at Tesla's price action and do our multiple time frame analysis on it, starting with the 1 hour chart. In the 1 hour chart, Tesla lost its key support levels at the 179, at the 21 exponential moving average, and at the 177 over here. By losing this support area, Tesla re-engaged its bearish sentiment. It was trying to reverse the trend. It was above the EMA. This is quite good. This is quite interesting. And just on a very few handful occasions, when Tesla broke the EMA like this and did a very nice reaction above it, it actually dropped like this. Most of the time Tesla went up. Alright, so this is an exception over here on Tesla. Right now it is dropping sharply. It lost its key support levels. It lost the 170 again, meaning any bullish thesis right now on Tesla was completely frustrated right now at this moment that I'm recording this video to you guys. In the daily chart, Tesla did a spinning bottom candlestick pattern. This pattern was officially triggered over here. However, since it lost its key support levels in the 1 hour chart, it totally frustrated the idea of a bounce on Tesla. I told you guys that, of course, doing some bottom fishing over here is plausible. It is acceptable. I'm not gonna judge anyone over here. However, always be extremely careful, always set stop losses, and what's more, always wait for confirmation. Okay, I was expecting a bounce on Tesla, but honestly, the trend in the daily chart is still clearly bearish. Tesla is still doing lower highs, lower lows. Oh Nathan, what it takes for Tesla to reverse the bearish sentiment, the bear trend in the daily chart? We gotta break 198. As long as Tesla remains under this 198 line over here, I will be extremely skeptical about any meaningful bullish reaction I see under this black line over here. Okay, as long as Tesla remains under this black line, I will simply not buy any bullish reaction over here right now for the midterm. Okay, now. And when I say buy in the meaning of believe that something is going to happen, okay? Maybe it is acceptable to buy Tesla near a support level, but right now we gotta see a meaningful bullish reaction over here, and we don't see any. There's not a single bullish reaction right now on Tesla. If you ask me, we are doing a very strong bearish bar. We lost yesterday's low, and it feels like we are trying to retest the next support level at 166 over here. Only if Tesla reacts above the 166, maybe we're gonna see another indicator that Tesla is going to bounce to higher levels. But again, there's not a single bullish sign right now. I don't see any evidence that Tesla is going to react from here. Okay, so we gotta wait. Only if tomorrow we see a very good, powerful, miraculous reaction and that we see Tesla closing, I don't know, above 170 again, then maybe we'll start thinking about, okay, so maybe this is a double bottom chart pattern at least, because right now Tesla frustrated another bullish structure. We already discussed it last week. of a possible inverted head and shoulders, right? But since Tesla lost this support level over here and that we are just around the next support level, I believe that a double bottom chart pattern is more realistic right now. But again, this pattern is still just fiction. The pattern does not exist. It was not triggered. We don't see any evidence that this is going to happen. But if it does, I believe that Tesla is going to be one of the most promising stocks around. But we gotta see some reaction first, okay? Because, why? Because in the weekly chart, we are just at a critical support level. We are around the baseline of this huge, gigantic descending channel. Remember, I'm talking about the weekly chart over here. This descending channel is here since November 2021, so it is a long-term descending channel. We are just at its baseline over here. Maybe the 179 is not applicable anymore because Tesla has been ignoring it in the last couple of weeks, but still, this descending channel still looks valid, still looks plausible. Therefore, I believe that any meaningful reaction over here could take Tesla again to the upper line over here. The trend would still be bearish. This is not necessarily good news, but I do believe that Tesla could be a very promising stock if we do the right reactions. Oh, Nathan, what if we lose this support level? Then I believe we're gonna break this descending channel downwards. In this scenario, I believe the 155 is a secondary support level to work with, but in the worst case scenario, we are gonna retest 127 over here, which is the next bottom level on Tesla, and it is supposed to work as a support level in the future. All right, so we gotta focus right now because Tesla is trading in a critical support level, in a critical price level. Any reaction could mean that Tesla, I'm so sorry, Tesla is going to bounce to higher levels again, or that we are gonna lose this support level and we are gonna sink. So either way, Tesla looks quite promising indeed, but honestly, in my humble opinion, I rather prefer seeing a bullish reaction on Tesla because right now it feels like it is just too late to sell, okay, or to short, all right? Because right now we just dropped it from the $300 over here on September, and we didn't bounce any time to the EMA again in the previous weeks over here since we lost the EMA in the weekly chart. So right now, I don't believe Tesla is a short. I don't believe Tesla is a buy right now. In my humble opinion, I am totally neutral because Tesla is in a no man's land at this moment. As long as we stay above the support level, under this resistance, Tesla is not that interesting. And if you want to keep updated on my daily analysis, check my website. Check the Market Dive daily newsletter. Join the top 5% family of traders that can actually beat this market and make some money. On Tesla, we did nearly 20% last month, and this month we are doing very well again. I believe December is going to be the best month for us right now, so subscribe my newsletter. I really appreciate your support, my dear friends. I'm gonna keep you guys updated. Click on the like button and subscribe this channel to keep in touch with my daily analysis. Thank you very much. Stay safe. Farewell.